Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own product on Shopify. So this is like the main screen of Shopify. So this is my website. I sell like Australian trading cards. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top left below where it says Shopify Home Orders, where it says Products, and click Products. Now, I've already got a list here of a lot of the products that I have in my store, but we want to create a brand new product. So if you go to the top right, where the button says Add Product, click there. Now we're in the screen to make your own product. And what I strongly suggest before you start making products is research your competitors, like see what they're doing, sort of thing. And very easy way to do that is you can go to Google. This, for example, we're gonna something to do with clothing. So clothing stores. Have a look around. Alley Fashion. This is a really nice website they've put together here. You can easily make a website like this with Shopify using like a paid theme. I suggest using one of the free ones to start with. So let's go have a look, maybe dresses, day dress. Where's a good example? This red one here. So they've got on sale. We can show you how to do that. So let's just, for this example, I strongly suggest not copying other people's listings or anything. Like, be your own person, you know. So just for this example, we're going to copy this dress, but I strongly suggest for your store to, you know, make it your own, do your own descriptions and headlines and stuff. So let's go back to Shopify. So title, Stardust ladder trim dress. Now that we've put that in the title, now we want to go down to the description. So what you want to do in your title and your description is put a lot of keywords in. This will really help for SEO, for Google searches and stuff like that. So let's see what they wrote for the description. Maybe we can put that online exclusive models down there. Yeah. So whatever your keywords is, you might want to. Sometimes I put the title in the description too. So you just want to put the keywords that people are going to be searching Google for in the description and the title. So if we scroll down a little bit more to images, so let's take one of the images. So you can just save this. Now back on Shopify, it has a little button here, upload image. So we're going to upload the image. So we've got the image there. Another thing as well, I've already saved some of these images. You can drag them straight from your desktop into here, and they've all loaded here. So whichever's easier for you. Now I'll scroll down a little bit more to price. So what's the price here? $69.99, but it's on sale. So if you don't want the price to be on sale, you'll just put the normal price here for price. If you want your item to be on sale, you'd put your original price and compare at price. And then for the price, you'd put, so if you want it to be on sale for $50, you'd put $50. Now, if you scroll down a bit more, charge taxes on this product. If you want to charge taxes or not, depending on the country you're in, I guess, this is really up to you. Now, inventory, SKU. So what have they wrote? I think I've seen SKU or style. We can just put that. I generally don't put a SKU in there because you can actually see it on the item. So I don't normally put a SKU, but it's really up to you. Barcodes, so if your item had a barcode to scan, you could put it here. If it didn't, you don't have to. Now, if you go down a little bit more to inventory policy, so Shopify tracks this product's inventory. So if you had like 5, for example, you could put 5 there, or 1, or whichever you want. The other thing you can do here is inventory policy, where the little arrows here. If you click here, don't track inventory, it'll just keep selling the product. But if you've got a specific quantity, you'd put Shopify tracks this product and then the quantity there. Now, just under that, it says allow customers to purchase this product when it's out of stock. So if you want your item to keep selling after it goes out of stock, because you might be getting more in, you could click there. If you don't, unclick it. Now, if you scroll down to shipping, this is a physical product, which it is. If it's not, you would just unclick there. And we're just going to click it because it is a physical product. Now the weight, here you'd put the weight in. Excuse me. A big problem I had was I've got like 7,000 items on my website, and I have this app on there that calculates the shipping for parcels, and then I've got a postage I've done up for padded bags. And I have like thousands and thousands of little items that are like 20 grams, 40 grams. And what happened when I started to get thousands of items, when I had it set up in kilograms, it kept stuffing up the postage. And when I changed it to grams, it made all the postage right. So this wouldn't really affect many people, but if you have lots and lots of little items, I'd probably go the lowest sort of weight category in your country. So for this one, we might just put 500 grams, so half a kilo, whatever. International customs. So this is the HST code. So if you got dangerous goods sort of thing, most people won't have to use this. Maybe you're selling batteries and TVs overseas. If not, you won't have to use this. But when you're shipping your item, your post office can help you a lot with this. And you can look it up here if you really want. So now we're going down to fulfillment service. So manual means that we're going to fulfill the product. So we're going to pack it up and ship it out ourselves. Automatically would automatically process it, probably through a third party. That's how you're selling your item. Now, variants. So this part is for, so if you have one product, and this is why I chose dresses, because it's a lot easier. So if you had a product that had multiple sizes or multiple categories, you could put it all into the one thing. So if you wanted to do that for this dress, you could add variant and then option name, so size. And then in option values, you could put, so small, comma, see how it added it, large, comma, XL, comma, medium, comma, like that. So we'll add each one and see how they're all here. Then you can add the extra barcode. The one thing, if they're different, so if they're going to be a different picture, what you actually have to do is save before you can edit the picture. So if you press save here, and then scroll back down to variants, then you've got the little edit here. Now if you click edit, notice down the left it has the different sizes here. Now you could change the prices, so say maybe XL is going to be more than $50, you could put $60 here, whichever. And then you can actually go to the top right here and choose the photo that you want, the image. So if it's a different image, you could put it there, example for each one. And then you have to save every time you do the photo. So depending, but if it was the same dress, all different sizes, well, you'd probably have the same photo. Now go back to product. And so you can notice the photos there. If it doesn't have a photo, it will default to your main photo. So if we keep going down here to edit website SEO, so this is basically, at the moment, this is what a customer would see if they found your store on Google. So if they search something and they found it, it would be the title here, then the description. But at the moment, it doesn't look too good. We can actually change this. So another thing I like to do is, if you go and grab the title here, you can actually see what your customer's SEO is. So if we go to Google, let's chuck this in here. Here we are. So this is actually what their SEO is saying in Google: Stardust, ladder, trim dress, alley fashion. So you could do that if you wanted. You could just, like I said before, highly recommend not copying. So you could go here, edit SEO. Now this is what it will have if you don't edit it. So we could go to title, put that in there, then their description, and now yours will look exactly the same as theirs. But you know, you want to put some keywords in here for Google, and you want to, so think about when you look at stuff on Google, like if it doesn't make sense what the actual listing says, you're going to keep scrolling to the next thing. So you want to have something that stands out to your customers, that makes them want to actually click on your item. So now if we scroll back up to the top and we go down the right side, it says product availability. So this is here, online store, points of sale, buy button, Facebook mobile apps. So when you first open a Shopify store, you only have online store. So these are what I've actually added to my store. So it links to Facebook. Points of sale is so I can sell it through my mobile and actual physical store if I wanted to. So you most likely won't have a lot of these. You can add them onto your store. So if you click here on manage, if you don't want this to be visible, you can unclick them all and they won't be visible. So if you're working on the listing and want to come back to it later, I would suggest unclicking them all, and then when you finish it, click it. Done. Now the other good thing here on online store, so if you scroll over to the right a little bit, you can actually set a date. You want a date and time you actually want to publish your item. So maybe it's coming out in 2 weeks. You can actually, so it automatically just populates on your item on your website in 2 weeks. Now if you scroll down a little bit more, organization, so product type, so what type of product is it? Maybe dress, and then add dress. Now vendor, maybe the brand or whatever, so I'm not sure what it is, alley fashion maybe, I'm not sure. And then add. Now where it says collections here, these are the pages you actually want to add your product to. So what page that your customers go to that you add the product to. So you could have a page for dresses or red dresses or whichever. In the next video, I'll actually show you how to make a collection. So for now, we'll just put some random collection. So we'll see this dress on this collection here. That's from my trading card website. So it's really up to you. And like I said, in the next one, I'll show you how to do the collections. Now, for the tags here, this is more for like, there's an option on Shopify where you can put in your navigation shop for, and then it'll come down with tags like new arrivals, vintage, cotton, summer, whatever, Lego, whatever you're selling really. So what we might do is vintage and then add. Now that's pretty much everything done. Your first product's done. So all you have to do now is save. Product was successfully saved. Now just one more thing, if we scroll down to here for variants, inventory quantities, we can change them also. What I'll say, maybe you have 4 large, 2 XLs, 6 medium, and then save that. I just forgot about that. And then if you have some more coming in, you can put incoming. Now, what does the product look like now? So at the top, it says view. Click on view. And now, depending on your the way your store is set up, it depends on the way it looks. So see how it's here on sale. So if we changed it to off sale, so if we went back to Shopify, scroll down to the price, edit options. Oh, sorry, edit here. Now we'll just get rid of this compared price and put it back into the main price for each product. What I suggest is really, like, you can quickly do it, up a product, very basically quickly put it in there. But I like to put the extra, 30 seconds to a minute of time into each product. It's really going to help with Google searches. It's going to look more professional, and that's what it's all about. You want to look good to your customers coming. So if we went back to the website and just refresh, now it's not on sale. It's just the normal price. Now, if you don't want the SKU, you can go back here as well. Back to product. And like I was saying, I don't like to put the SKU in there, but it's really up to you, sort of thing. So edit. And then you just delete the SKU. Save. And then if you click refresh, the SKU is gone. And then see this where it says size here, you can click it and pick what size you want. And the other ones already they still have the SKU. You'd have to go back and change that. And then how much quantity, add to cart, buy with PayPal. Most themes support this, share on Facebook, Twitter, whichever. And then your photos are all here. You can scroll through them. You can click one and it'll go up here. And then your description's here. So that's your first product. Let me know what you think, what you want me to talk about, and good luck with your store, and I hope it's a great one, and keep working hard, putting the effort in. Thanks for watching.